Yeah. Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz. As you see, I'm here with Belinda. Yes, she has a very long fringe, and now she wants me to cut her fringe. So today we're gonna show you how to cut lovely, nice straight fringe. Yes. So as you see, I put two clips here. One here and one here to separate that hair. Now we're gonna cut her hair, and very easy, nice, simple. So take all the fringe in your hand and turn it like this. Can you see it?
Yes.
So I'll do it again. Okay. Take all the fringe in your hand and turn it like this, and then take it like again and go down. The only thing you need to touch, just a little bit. Straight line. See? In one time cut. Yes? And then now I threw it and I have a lovely, nice fringe for Belinda. You see? So this is a little bit thick, so we will take another scissor. So what we're gonna do, we will cut a little bit inside. So take the hair up and take just a little bit point from here and you see, is this corner we need to remove. So take a little bit here now and this corner, and then we go here, and then go here, and now we go here. This is her lovely fringe. I think we love it. She like it. I'll show it to Belinda. See, now let's turn this here again. So here. So she don't like too thick fringe. So this is the result of her fringe. So thank you very much for watching us. Bye bye.
Bye.